like a Hellcat.
Hi guys, so welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So ito na yung chapter 6 sa ating abstract algebra. So in this lesson or in this video, pag-uusapan natin yung introduction sa panibagong group na pag-uusapan natin. So again, hindi ko sinasabing abelian or non-abelian siya. So depende yan sa ating ma-observe dito. Okay, so let us start. So we have the permutation group. Okay, so now recall the following notions about function. So mag-start muna tayo by recalling what is a function. So let us define this function. So let f or let p na lang. So let p be a mapping from a to b. Okay, be a function. Okay, then una is for injective. So kung naalala nyo, ano ba yung sa injection or sa injective? Okay, so masasabi natin injective siya. So for all x sub 1, x sub 2 element of A, we have p of x sub 1 is equal to p of x sub 2. Okay, implies x sub 1 is equal to x sub 2. So this is the injective or one-to-one or injection in definition ni injective. So next is si surjective. Okay, so for surjective, so paano ba yung for surjective or yung for onto? So for all y, okay, so for all b or for all y na lang, I guess. So for all y element of b o nung range. Okay, so there exists x element of a such that yung p of x is equal to y. Okay, so ganyan si surjective. So wag din kayo malilito, iba kasi yung ginamit ko na notion ng function o yung dinefine ko na function. So ang dinefine ko na function ay si p, so that is a Greek letter p. So yung p something na ganyan. Okay, yan. So last thing is for bijective or one-to-one correspondence. So para sa bijective, paano yun? If p is both injective and surjective. Injective and surjective. Again, the word and surjective. Okay, so bakit diniscuss ni sir yan? So ang permutation group at the same time yung dihedral group, they form a function. Okay, so kung naalala nyo dun sa ating dihedral group, so let's say yung ating row 1 sa S3, sa D3 rather. So sa D3, kunyari meron tayo 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 2, 3, 1. Okay, so nagpo-form kasi sila talaga ng function. So ito yung mga nasa first line. Tandaan na, yung nasa first line is yung domain. Tapos itong mga nasa second line is yung range. Okay, so kung ipo-form natin siya into function, pwede natin sabihin na, for example, kunwari p of 1. So yung p of 1 natin, so 1 goes to 2, so p of 1 is 2. Next is p of 2 is 3, and p of 3 is simply 1. Okay, so yun yung ninonotion niya. Another thing, pwede natin sabihin na ganito. So let's say meron tayong p is start is 1 goes to 2, sunod 2 goes to 3, and 3 goes to 1. At kung napansin mo, siya ay bijective function. So injective siya, surjective siya. Kung mapping pa lang, na obvious na siya ay bijective function. So yun yung sinasabi dito. So ngayon, let's discuss about the permutation group or basic definition. So magi-start lang muna ako sa napaka-basic definition. So paano siya napo-form? So wala pa tayong totally ng mga operation dito. So actually, yung operation dito, familiar na kayo. Kasi kung ano yung element ni D3, nandito lang din yun. Okay, so ano pinagkaiba lang nila is siyempre subset lang or part lang ni S3 si Dn. Okay, o si S sub n o si permutation group. Kumbaga si permutation group is yung collection ng lahat. Si dihedral group, minsan konti lang siya. So, mas marami lagi yung element ni permutation sa kanya. Okay, so let's have permutation. So, ito yung dito yung, so parang permutation din ba to sa probability? Medyo may pagkaganon yung hawig pa. So, kaso based on ano naman siya, on numbering or assigning number. So, based on function, parang ganoon yung ginagawa dito. Okay, so let's have a definition. So, let A be a finite set. So, again, may finite set tayo, which is set A. So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung element niya. So, kung naalala nyo last time, sa dihedral group, we fix na yung name nung ating, yung mga numbering na ginagamit natin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Okay? So, dito, sa permutation group, pwede kasi natin ibahin yung set. So, for example, let A be the set containing A, B, and C. Okay? So, pwedeng gamitin natin yun. Although, pwede rin naman natin siyang gamitin sa dihedral group. Kaso, mas ginagamit lang talaga yung mga number. Okay? So, yun yung medyo pinagkaiba. So, actually, hindi naman pinagkaiba. Okay? So, again, a permutation of A is a 1-to-1 onto function. So, again, 1-to-1 onto function. So, meaning a bijective function, sigma. Okay, sigma mapping from A to A. Okay, so sa A lang mismo. So, again, siya is a permutation of A which is a 1-to-1 onto function. So, hindi natin agad lahat kukunin. So, let's say for example, meron tayong set A kung saan we have 1, 2, 3. So, the distinct permutation of A are, so suot ko lang sila, no? Distinct permutation. So, again siya ay 1-to-1 onto function. So, meaning gagawa tayo na parang ganito. So, syempre, gawa tayo. So, let's say, start tayo sa sigma 1. So, since sigma yung in-element, sigma. So, dito usually sigma. Sigma yung element ng kada permutation. So, dinedenote sila sigma. Hindi rho 0, rho 1, hindi ganun. So, dito, isa na sigma 1. Okay, so, sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. Okay, so, pwede din naman sabihin kung A is the permutation na ganito yung laman. So, depende sa naming. So, kaso nga, yung pinaka-obvious is yung sigma. Okay, so sigma, so unang permutation na naisip ko is yung sarili niya. Okay, so permutation function to 1-to-1. So 1 goes to 1. Next, 2 goes to 2. Next is 3 goes to 3. Okay, so yan siya. So ano yung counterpart niya sa atin? So sa counterpart niya, so sa two-line notation, this is sigma 1. Okay, this is equal sa 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that is sigma 1. So, ano yung equivalent nito sa D3? So, sa D3, equivalent nito, again, sa D3 lang sa D3, ang equivalent nito is rho 0. Okay, for D3. So, again, hindi ko sinasabi na rho 0 siya automatic. Sigma 1 natin siya tatawagin dito. Okay, so, just pinapakita ko lang yung pinagkatulad. So, this is sigma 2 or sigma sub 2. So, ano ba maganda sigma sub 2? So, unahin ko muna yung 1 goes to 1. Okay, then sunod is 2 goes to 3. And 3 goes to 2. Okay, and yan yung naisip ko na permutation na pangalawa. So, obviously, this is mamaya nasulat ko muna lahat. Next is sigma 3. So, panibagong permutation. So, 1 goes to 2. I guess, pwede yun. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, fix ko si 3. So, 3 goes to 3. Okay, so wala akong sinusunod dito na notion So, ito lang yung sinusunod ko dun based sa reference natin. Okay, baka kasi ito yung notion nila. Although, pwede mo naman talaga i-assign yung different permutation. Ang importante naman talaga sa chapter to is dapat naiintindihan mo yung element, walang problema kung ano yung gamitin mo, by the way. So, for example, yung sigma 2 mo is sigma 4 ko. So, okay lang din naman yun. Pero, syempre, ang pinaka-importante dito is yung operation. So, pag in-operate mo yung specific element o yung specific permutation, element ng permutation, dapat parehas tayo ng sagot. Okay, so, dun tayo magkakatalo, actually. So, next is, we have sigma sub 4. Okay, so, sigma sub 4, we have 1 goes to, so, tingin ako sa aking reference. So, 1 goes to 2. So, wag niyo na akong tanongin sir, paano mo nakuha yan? This is just something na gumagawa lang ako ng parang permutation lang talaga as in different combination or permutation rather. Which is 3 goes to 1. Okay, next sigma sub 5. Okay, so this is 1 goes to 3. Next is 2 goes to 1. And lastly is 3 goes to 2. Lastly is sigma sub 6. So, this is 1 goes to 3. Next, 1 goes to 3. Next, 2 goes to 2. Then lastly, 3 goes to 1. Okay, so I guess kung paano siya kinuha ni Book, pansinin nyo, no? 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3. Tapos niretain niya yung 1 goes to 1. So 1 goes to 1, niretain niya. So hanggang isang ulit lang yon. So ginawa 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2. Tapos punta na siya sa 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 3. Tapos 1 goes to 2 pa rin siya, naging 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. Tapos naging 1 goes to 3 siya, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 2. Then 1 goes to 3 siya, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 1. So ganun niya niname. Pansinin mo yung pattern kung paano niya niname. Okay, then syempre sulat din natin yung ating mga different two-line notation nila, no? So for row 2, dito ko nang lagay, no? So row 2, for row 2, 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2. So mamaya natin pangalanan kung saan sila galing dati. So this is row 3, sigma 3 rather. Naulit na naman, 1 goes to 2. Okay, so this is 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 3. Next, this is row 4. Row 4, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. Okay, then row 5. So, paano sa row 5? Something na 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 2. Lastly, row 6. Row 6 is simply 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 1. Okay? So, kung papansin mo, ang permutation talaga as in is yung 1, 2, 3 na set o yung element na 1, 2, 3. Ngayon, saan sila nagkaroon ng permutation, different permutation? Pansinin yung second line. Yung second line dito is 1, 2, 3. Pagdating dito, 1, 3, 2. Tapos biglang naging 2, 1, 3. Okay? So, magkaiba yung 1, 2, 3 sa 1, 3, 2 sa 2, 1, 3 at the same sa 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1. Okay? Yan yung different permutation nung number 1, 2, 3. So kung napansin mo, ang permutation ng 1, 2, 3 o meron tayong tatlong, meron kang tatlo, so paano may permute yan? That is simply 3 factorial, that is 6. So obviously alim yung nagawa natin. So tama yung nagawa natin permutation. Okay, so in terms of dihedral group, so syempre dahil medyo accompanied siya sa dihedral group, no? So sa D3, ano ang equivalent ni nito? Ang equivalent nito sabi is si mu2. Okay, sa D3 sa D3, sa triangle. Ito ay mu1. So again, di nyo naman kailangan i-copy to. Nilalagay ko lang yung para equivalent niya. This is row 1. This is row 2. Okay, then this is row 3. Tama ba? Mu3, row 3. Karoon pa ako ng row 3. Okay, so this is mu3. So yan ay equivalent lang. Pero dito nga sa permutation group, ninename natin sila as sigma. Okay, so sigma sub 1, sigma sub 2, sigma sub 3. Okay, so next is let A be the set containing 1 and 2. The permutation of A R. So, syempre, obviously, this is just dalawa. Okay, kasi 2 factorial is just, kasi dalawa element, 2 factorial is just 2. Okay, so, syempre, ano yung mga natin, name natin dito? Syempre, una is row 1. Okay, row 1. So, syempre, that is 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2. Then row 2. Tapos naman this is 1 goes to 2. Then 2 goes to 1. So ito rin yung pinagkaiba ni permutation group kay sa symmetric group. So kay dihedral group rather. So si permutation group kasi, sa permutation kasi right away, si permutation group kasi, ang inaano ni permutation group is something na wala siyang limit. Kay dihedral group kailangan for n is greater than or equal to 3. So mas mataas. So dito possible pa si 2. Okay, possible din si 1 actually. So, kahit si 1 is 1 goes to 1 lang, okay pa rin yun. Permutation group pa rin siyang mako-consider. So, dito, pag nilagay natin sila sa two-line notation, so again that is two-line notation. So, two-line notation is just 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2. Row 2 is just 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. At obviously, napapansin mo rin naman, no, yung no motion, so hindi natin sila kino-consider na no motion dito. Yung element na kung saan naulit lang yung first line sa second line is automatically that is the identity element. So basically dito identity element ni dito. So 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2. Ito 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3. Automatically sila yung mga identity element. So yung walang permutation na nangyari sa unahan o sa ilalim. Okay, so yun yung kino-consider natin dito. So now, proceed pa tayo sa more specific definition. So again, kung paano mo kino-compute or paano tayo nagko-composition or nagsosolve last time nung D3, okay, ganun lang din natin gagawin dito since naka two-line notation siya. So okay, so check natin sa ating definition. So let's have a definition. Definition, let A be a finite set. So a permutation group of the set A is of a set of the set A is a set of permutations which form a group under composition of permutation. Okay, so similar din naman sila nun. So let's say dito, no, kung meron tayong A, so meron tayong A, ang group natin is something na paano ba? So group under, dito ko sa pangalawa ilalagay eh. Okay, so permutation. So for example na lang, kuha na lang tayo rather dito. So dun sa S3, dun sa dito sa una. So kunyari kinuha natin yung row 1, row 2. Refer to number 1. Refer to example number 1. Okay, so for example kinuha mo si sigma asterisk sigma 1 asterisk sigma sub 2. Okay, so this is just equal lang sa, so yung sigma 1 is just 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3. So obviously yung sagot dito ah. Then next is sigma 1, sigma 2 is simply 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 3, 2. So again, similar pa rin kung paano natin yung na-approach last time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, start sa dulo. 1 goes to 1, 1 goes to 1. 1. 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 3. So this is 3. 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3. 2 goes to 2 rather, this is 2. Okay, and obvious naman kasi, no, pag inoperate natin siya sa identity element, kasi alam natin identity element to, sagot is mismo siya pa rin. So this is also sigma 2. So kuha tayo ng ibang element. So kunyari, sigma 4 asterisk sigma 5. Okay, so sigma 4 is 1, 2, 3. This is 2, 3, 1. Then asterisk kay sigma sub 5, this is 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 1, 2. Okay, so ang pwede maging sagot dyan is just start to 1, 2, 3. Lagay natin. So 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. So 1. 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2. 2. So tempo 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3. 3. So obviously this is sigma 1. Okay, so may napansin ako, no, ang inverse ni sigma sub 4 is si sigma 3. Ang inverse ni sigma sub 3 is si sigma 4. Okay, so nakakagulat din. Okay, another thing, paano kunin yung inverse dito by the way? So paano kunin yung inverse dito? Singit ko na lang din dito. So okay, so for example, meron kang sigma 5. Okay, so sigma 5 is simply 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. Okay, ang gagawin mo lang is just babaliktarin mo lang yung first row sa first column sa second, first row sa second row. Okay, so yung first row mauuna lang. So kunyari mauna lang. So this is 3, 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. Then saka mo i-arrange yung nasa taas. Yung sa taas, syempre dahil nauuna yung 1, so that is 1 goes to 2. So this 3 ay 2 goes to 3. Then sunod is 3 goes to 1. Okay, at kung napansin mo, ito si sigma 4. Okay, so napansin mo na yung sigma 4. So ito yung inverse. Ito yung inverse ni sigma sub 5. Okay, so ganun lang. Pagbabalik-tarin mo, tapos i-arrange mo lang. So unahin mo lang. So pagbalik-tarin mo, i-arrange mo lang yung numbering. So after ko babaliktad, syempre dahil una yung 1, so automatically 1 goes to 2 kasi 1 goes to 2 yun. Then 2 goes to 3, 2 goes to 3, then 3 goes to 1. Okay, so ganun mo siya gagawin. Okay, so next is let's have a definition. So before natin tapusin to, no? So let's have a formal definition, or for example, parang name nung group na to. So let A be the set containing 1, 2, 3, dot up to n. So again, di natin alam kung ano siya. So again, nililimit lang muna dito yung set natin na element na 1, 2, 3 up to n. So the set of all permutations of A forms a group under composition of permutation. So nasabi naman na sa taas, and is called the symmetric group of degree n, and the order n factorial, and it's denoted by S sub n. Okay, so basically yung una, example number 1 natin is the group of S sub 3. Yung una is S sub 3 comma asterisk. So yung asterisk is per composition of permutation. Okay, so again ang tawag dito sa mga to is permutation. Okay, ang tawag sa group nila mismo is symmetric group actually. So yun talaga yung tawag sa kanila, symmetric group or permutation group. So, pero nga mas okay na siguro yung symmetric group kasi nga ang tawag natin dito sa kada element is permutation. Ang tawag naman dito, so yan ay symmetric group. So this is S sub 3 comma asterisk. So note na yung order nito So yung order ng S sub 3 is just simply n factorial or simply 3 factorial. So this is just 6. So obviously na 6 yun. Okay, next is S sub 2. So kanina, this is S sub 2 comma asterisk. So yung order nun is S sub 2 is simply 2 factorial, which is equal sa 2. Okay, so napaka simple. Yeah, another thing. So naalala ko lang, kung naalala mo din yung nabanggit last time ni Sir about sa group na tawag dito, sa group na symmetric group, naalala mo yun sa mga unang videos natin. So nagkaroon tayo ng quaternion group, tapos meron pa isang table in which may alpha, alpha beta, beta alpha, beta alpha square. Naalala mo yun. Okay, so actually dito sila nanggaling. Again, dito nanggaling yung symmetric group na yun. So basically si S3, ang tawag talaga kay S3, so if, lay ko lang if n is equal to 3, so we have S3. So we have S sub 3, which is also equivalent kay D3. Okay, so napansin mo rin naman, no? Si S3 equivalent lang naman kay D3. Pero dito nga sa permutation group, ang tawag natin sa kanya is S3 or the symmetric group of degree 3. Okay, which is denoted by S3. So alam natin na siya ay D3. So another thing, tawag din sa kanya is yung symmetric group. Kung naalala mo yung table na ginawa natin. So sa symmetric group, so kung naalala nyo, pangalanan natin, kung naalala mo si alpha, ang representation ni alpha dito is row 1. Okay? Si epsilon, ang representation sa D3 is row 0. Tapos sunod si beta. Si beta, ang representation ay si mu 2. Okay? Sunod si alpha square, o si alpha square. Si alpha square, ang representation ni alpha square is si row 2. Okay? Si alpha cube, ang representation ni alpha cube is si row 0. Okay, so check ko lang epsilon, alpha. Okay, so sumobra lang yata ako. So check ko lang, wala yata alpha cube dun. Okay, so next is si beta alpha rather. So si beta alpha is simply equal kay mu 1. Then lastly, si beta alpha square is simply beta alpha square is mu 3. Okay, so yun, tama na pala, 6 lang pala yun. Okay, so ayan yun. So naalala mo yung group, ayan yun. Dito nanggaling sila actually. Nanggaling yung symmetric group na yun actually kay D3 at the same time kay S3 ng symmetric group or ng permutation group. So doon siya nanggaling. So gaya nga sabi ko dati, sa paano mo nakukuha yan? Paano nakita na yung alpha asterisk beta alpha square is ganito? So dito nanggaling yun. Okay, again, kay D3 or kay S3. Okay, so kay S3 ko doon na maglagay kung ano equivalent niya kay S3. So si alpha o si row 1, ano equivalent niya kay S3? So si row 1 is simply sigma 4. Okay, so ibig sabihin si sigma 4 to kay S3. Yun yung kanyang equivalent. Okay, so another thing, no, kung for example let tayo ng n. So example number 2. So ito example number 1 lang naman. Okay, so example number 2. Kunyari meron tayong let alpha. So naglet ako ng alpha na kung saan ang laman niya is simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So dito napapansin mo galing kay siya kay S7. Okay, S sub 7. Okay, so this is 3, 6, 5, 1, 7, 2, 4. So hindi ko na sinuot kasi example kasi medyo mahaba. Okay, so kung gusto mong hanapin yung kanyang alpha square. Okay, so kunyari gusto kong i-generate yung alpha square, or sorry, una hanapin ko muna yung alpha inverse. Okay, para sa alpha inverse, ano nang gagawin ko? Babaliktarin ko na. So ito rin yung pwede kong technique na gawin nyo. Instead na ibaliktarin mo muna tapos saka mo i-arrange, pwedeng ganito naman. Since nakikita ko yung una 1 sa ilalim, so ang tingin ko ilalim na. Tapos susulat ko lang. So tulad nito, 1 yung ilalim, so this is 1 goes to 4. Napin ko yung 2, 2 goes to 6. Okay, napin ko ito, 3 goes to 1. Okay, then sunod is 4 goes to 7. Okay, next is 5 goes to 3. Next 6 goes to 2. Then last is 7 goes to 5. Okay, so obviously ito na yung kanyang inverse. Okay, at the same time aware tayo na galing siya kay S7. So alam natin na element to na S7. So kahit di ko sinabi. And we all know the order of S7 is just simply sa 7 factorial. So what is 7 factorial? So ano ba yung 7 factorial na yun? Hindi na ako magaling mag-multiply. Kaya na mag-multiply minsan. Okay, so check namin ko lang. Okay, so 7 factorial is 5040. Okay, so there are 5040 different permutation or elements yung S7. Ganun karami. Kunyari, pinasulat ko, no? Enumerate all the elements of S7. So, aabot ka sa sigma sub 5040. Ganun karami yung gagawin mo. Dahil sa dami ng different permutation nung ilalim na yun. Okay? Then, another thing, for example, kinuha ko yung kunyari, kinuha ko yung alpha square, no? So, kunyari, gusto kong evaluate yung alpha square. Refer tayo dyan. So, for example, alpha square. So, alpha square is simply 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 1, 5, 7, 6, 2, 7, 4. So, maganda sana may copy-paste na lang, no? 1, 3, 2, 6. So, this is 3, 5, 4, 1, 5, 7, 6, 2, 7, 4. Okay, so magkagawin natin yan. So start tayo. 1 goes to 3. So start tayo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, start. So 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 5. So sulat si 5. Next, 2 goes to 6, 6 goes to 2. Next, 3 goes to 5, 5 goes to 7. So 4 goes to 1, 1 goes to 3. Next, 5 goes to 7, 7 goes to 4. Next, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 6. Next, 7 goes to 4, 4 goes to 1. Okay, so therefore, ito yung kanyang alpha square. Okay, then similar din, kunyari gusto mo kunin yung order ng element na to, alam niyo na gagawin, i-erase mo siya sa n. So hanggang sa maging identity element siya. So again, ano identity element ng S7? S7 identity element niya is 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3, 4 goes to 4, 5 goes to 5, 6 goes to 6, and 7 goes to 7. So kailangan mapunta ka doon. So yun nga, trabaho rin sa paghanap niya. Okay, so that's all in this video. Again, introduction lang talaga siya ng ating permutation group. So pasensya na, medyo hinabaan ko.